Do you want to learn how you can make money without having to be boring or losing anything fun? Do you want to work and still have your own time? Well, today's method is going to allow you to do just that. You can do your work from anywhere at all, no matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection. You can do it at home. You can even take it with you wherever you go, literally on vacation, when you go shopping, maybe to lunch, and you can choose to work on the times that you want to. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So first website is cafepress.com, and this website is what's going to help us make money today. And what this website does, it helps us create our own merchandise. You can create your own clothing, drinkware, accessories, decor, stationery, stickers, signs, phone cases, and a lot more. Now, they do provide you with a drop-down menu for occasions where you can design personalized items for a lot of different events, like maybe birthdays and baby showers, bridal showers, whatsoever. If you want to know more, you can actually just explore it on your own after watching today's video. For now, what we want you to do is scroll to the bottom part of the page and then select Start Selling. So you can find that under the Help column. And this is actually going to bring you to a page where you're going to see the instructions or the steps on how to finally start selling. So there's just 3 simple steps. First, you're just going to have to create and upload your own design. And the next, again, don't worry, because we are going to be sharing with you a way that's going to help you make your own designs easily. Next step is that the website is going to do the selling for you. So they're going to handle the marketing and promotion and everything else. And the hard part is basically over, right? So it really depends on where you plan on, promoting and putting the design. If you want it on a shirt, on a mug, on a postcard, whatever you want. And then after that, they sell it, you're gonna get your cut. So that's how this website basically works, okay? It actually gets a lot of traffic, and we all know that that's very important, and it's something that you always have to remember, especially when you're looking for a platform that's gonna help you make money on. Now go ahead, check out similarweb.com, and if you actually go over to the website, you're going to see that Cafe Press has gotten over 2.43 million visits. Now that's a lot of visits, and it only proves that the website is doing well and it is legit and trusted. Now you can definitely get a decent amount of money, especially because a lot of people have visited the website. Now let's go back to Cafe Press, and what we want you to do next is click on Add Designs. And that's going to take you to this page where you can then create a brand new account if you don't have an account yet. All you have to do is enter in your email address, your password, and then you're going to confirm that. So make sure that you type in a working email, because you're going to have to verify it after. So as soon as you're done verifying your account and you're all logged in, it's going to look like this inside your account. So go on and hover your mouse on Create Your Own, and then you're going to select what design you'd like. So you can choose clothing, drinkware, accessories, and a lot more. But for today's video, as an example, let's just select drinkware and then mugs. So click on mugs, and it's going to redirect you to a brand new page. And on this brand new page, you're going to see how much the mug would cost and the different prices depending on the sizes. So how about let's just, stick to the small size mug, since it's discounted at the moment and it's affordable, which will mean that a lot of more people will want to buy it more. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer. PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. So
Click on start designing, and once you have decided on what size you want of the product, you can finally see that it is fully customizable. You can change the color of the mug, you can choose like a different color combo, from the inner and the outer. You can put on your twist to it, you can add text and images. So remember, we mentioned like earlier that you can make the design your own, and that is where our next website will play this part. So go ahead and type in pngtree.com, and that's the website that's gonna give us royalty-free images. You can use it wherever, however that you want, without any copyright issues, without any worries, and you can even make money from it. You can actually get your photos from here, so that for your design, and then earn from it. It's literally very easy, and it's always available. Now, another thing that we love about this is that it's free, and like there are thousands and thousands of photos under different niches. So it doesn't matter what you're looking for, this website for sure has it. And all you have to do is just choose what photo you'd like, then download them for free. Now, again, for the sake of this video, as an example, we're gonna look photos up of puppies. And since everybody loves cute puppies, this is gonna make our merchandise more saleable, since it's very appealing to a lot of people. Now, to start, just sign up to the website. Click on the sign up button right here, and that's gonna open up a new tab, and then you're gonna add your information. You can either sign up with Google, Twitter, or your Facebook, but if you don't want that, you can do it manually with any email address. Now, once you've logged in to pngtree.com, you're going to want to look for photos again of cute puppies and select one of the results. All you have to do is download the photo that you've chosen by clicking on download PNG over here. Click on free download, and that's going to automatically save into your computer. Next thing is to go back to Cafe Press, and then select on add image. Select the image that we just downloaded earlier.
Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue.
And afterwards, you're basically done. Your product is going to be put up for sale. And the greatest thing about this is that there will always be that on its website, which means that you can earn passively from this. The people can buy your products even months or years after you've posted it on your website, because this website is still going to produce it. And the more products that you actually create, the more sales you will have. And using Cafe Press and PNG Tree, it's very easy to make designs, literally put them on clothing, on accessories, on drinkware, or whatever. So literally, what are you waiting for? You can create your merch so easily, so there's really nothing to lose. So let's do a little recap. First, you're gonna have to go to Cafe Press, sign up, choose what type of product you want to create, then go on PNG Tree, find photos of whatever it is you want to put on designs, download multiple photos, put them on clothing, on drinkware, on accessories, on mugs and stuff like that, and then post it up for selling, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.